very good morning and warm welcome to the Dhamma Television Collective News. This is Srishti Khadki. Moving on to the headlines. About 10,000 Nepalese waiting to return from Qatar. 2 girls died of drowning in separate incidents in Sarlahi. Dr. Casey under police siege. Kathmandu Valley records 377 new cases. Total COVID-19 cases reached 1,111. Special precautions in Kabri-Palanchok district. Impact of the corona pandemic in various religious and cultural areas. Corona infection to industrialist Binod Chaudhary. In India, 77,000 corona infections, more than 1,000 deaths in a single day. Japanese PM resigns. Here we go for news in detail. According to Nepali embassy in Qatar, there are still more than 10,000 Nepalese who want to return home from Qatar due to various reasons, including the corona epidemic. The embassy had earlier made public the list of 9,385 Nepalese who had filed up the forms through various means to return home from Qatar. Various companies in Qatar had provided details to the embassy to send 3,628 Nepalese workers to Nepal, and 5,757 have wanted to return to Nepal through the embassy. Due to the increase in the number of Nepalese losing their jobs, the number of returnees is increasing by more than 10,000. Second Secretary of the Embassy, Bhuvan Prasad Bhatta, said that 5,517 Nepalese have returned home so far through various rescue flights, as the number of Nepalese wanting to return to Nepal has increased after the outbreak of the corona epidemic. According to the embassy, Himalayan Airline is scheduled to fly on August 31st. It has been stated that those who are in priority will be rescued through that flight. The Nepali embassy in Qatar has requested those who have previously taken tickets and are on the embassy's list to contact the concerned airlines for re-verification. The embassy said the PCR test for coronavirus COVID-19 could be performed on the returnees by visiting various private hospitals licensed by the Qatari government. The government has decided that those who bring negative PCR reports will not have to stay in hotel quarantine in Kathmandu. However, the embassy said that they would have to stay at hotel quarantine in Kathmandu at their own expenses, as the PCR report was not taken. Passengers who have to stay in the hotel quarantine have to make a written commitment to pay the hotel expenses for at least 7 days at the time of ticket purchase. The number of Nepalese losing their jobs in Qatar due to corona infection, which has spread like a global epidemic, is also increasing day by day. The government has been operating regular flights from countries where PCR testing is easy since Bhadra 16. 2 girls drowned in ponds in Bharathawa of Sarlahi district on Thursday. The deceased have been identified as 3 and 17-year girls, according to the district police office Sarlahi. A 3-year-old girl from Hajaria drowned in a ditch constructed for a well near her home, while a 17-year-old girl from Murtiya drowned while picking lotus flowers in a pond. Both the bodies have been sent to District Hospital, Malangwa, for the postmortem. Senior physician Dr. Govind Casey, who has been demanding medical education reform, is under police siege in Jimla. Dr. Casey was placed under house arrest by the police on Thursday while undergoing free treatment in a remote area of Karnali. We have given a 3-week ultimatum to the government with a 3-point demand on July 25th. In the meantime, the government has shown its arrogance and its extreme irresponsibility by showing no interest in fulfilling those demands, said Dr. Casey. Police and the Armed Police Force, APF, said in a statement that they had forcibly stopped the protesters and threatened them at their homes. Dr. Casey have even warned to start satyagraha at any time if the case is not stopped immediately. Dr. Casey had announced to hold another satyagraha from this Thursday after his demands were not met. However, at the request of the local administration and considering the risks of the corona epidemic, Dr. Casey has postponed the satyagraha for a week. Another 1,111 people in Nepal have been confirmed to have corona infection. According to Dr. Jageshwar Gautam, spokesperson of the Ministry of Health, corona has been confirmed in 1,111 people, including 334 women and 777 men during the tests conducted in different parts of the country. With this, the number of corona infections in Nepal has reached 35,529. A further 377 people were found infected with corona in the Kathmandu Valley on Thursday, including 270 in Kathmandu, 66 in Lalitpur, and 41 in Bhaktapur. Similarly, 8 more people have died due to corona. According to spokesperson Gautam, 8 people, including 5 women and 3 men, have died of the corona infection. The deceased have been identified as a 48-year-old man from Kathmandu, a 65-year-old woman from Lalitpur, a 23-year-old woman from Bara, and a 62-year-old man from Parsha. Similarly, a 32-year-old woman from Kaski and a 50-year-old man from Kapilvastu, a 70-year-old woman from Rupandehi and a 70-year-old woman from Baki died on the spot. At the same time, the number of deaths due to corona in Nepal has reached 183, said spokesperson Gautam. Currently, the number of active infected people is 15,273. So far, 20,075 infected people have been cured and discharged, while 9,488 are in quarantine. District Crisis Management Center, Kabri Palanchok, has taken special precautions in the district, keeping in mind the increasing number of coronavirus infections. Public transport has been completely banned in the district and it has been instructed to operate from 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. and from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. by maintaining social distance in full compliance with the health norms. Kabri Assistant Chief District Officer Lakshmi Devi Humagai Khatiwara informed that high precautions has been adopted to spread the corona infection in the district. According to the administration office, the district's main market areas of Dhulikhel, Banauti, Banipa, Pachkhal and Namabuddha have been instructed to conduct business and other buying and selling activities only at certain times to reduce the spread of corona infection due to the unnecessary crowds and movement in the market areas. Corona epidemic has affected various areas while it has also affected the religious and cultural areas. Due to the coronavirus, processions have been postponed and festivals have been forced to be celebrated at home. A similar effect has been felt at the famous Chandeshwari temple in Banipa. Many Newar communities worship Chandeshwari as Kul Devi or Ishta Devi, while Sanatan Hindus worship Chandeshwari Devi, while Mahayana Buddhists worship her as a monotheistic goddess. Due to the corona, worship other than daily worship has been completely stopped in the temple. Priest Vishnu Narayan Karmacharya said the temple was completely closed, saying that the number of corona was increasing even though the worship started inside the temple after the long woodcut. Priest Karmacharya informed that various processions in the meantime have been stopped. Industrialist Binod Chaudhary has been diagnosed with corona infection. Industrialist Chaudhary has informed on his social network Twitter that he sees corona positive. The results of the corona test on Friday morning were positive, Chaudhary said via social network Twitter. Chaudhary, who is also a member of the House of Representatives, has informed that he has not been seen with any symptoms. Chaudhary is now living in isolation as per the doctor's advice. Meanwhile, he has urged those who come in contact with him to exercise caution and test. In last 24 hours, about 77,000 new infections have been added in India. According to Worldometer, 76,826 new infections have been reported in India in the last 24 hours. At the same time, the total number of infected people has exceeded 3.384 million. Similarly, 1,065 infected people have died in India in the last 24 hours. At the same time, the number of deaths from corona has reached 61,694. In India, 2.583 million infected people have been discharged after treatment so far. In the last 24 hours, 45,800 people have been confirmed infected in the United States. The number of infected people there has exceeded 6,046,000, out of which 1,84,700 have died and 33,47,000 infected have been cured. With the addition of 42,400 infected people in Brazil on Thursday, the total number of infected people has exceeded 3.764 million, out of which 29.47 million have been cured and 118,700 have died. As of Friday morning, the world has surpassed 24.6 million, out of which 8,34,758 people have died and more than 17,074,000 infected have been cured. Japanese Prime Minister Shinzo Abe is set to resign. According to Japanese media, Prime Minister Abe is set to resign citing his health problems. Prime Minister Abe is the longest-serving executive leader in Japanese history. During the tenure of 65-year-old Abe, a lot of development work has been done in Japan. Prime Minister has 1 year left in his term. This is all for now. We will be back with more news and updates. Till then, keep watching Dhamma Television. May all the sentient beings be at peace. Stay safe.